Hey neighbor, Bigbenthiessen here with RE/MAX Executives, and welcome to Island Lakes. You're gonna absolutely love this property. We're here at 297 de la Seigneurie, almost 1,400 square foot bungalow. We've got vaulted ceilings, fully updated, top to bottom, including a theater room. We've got a beautiful kitchen, beautiful flooring, so many great things going on here. Let's go take a look. What an amazing house. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely nothing left for you to do. You got a great private backyard, and here's the Island Lakes. Well, I guess that'll conclude our tour of 297 de la Seigneurie and Island Lakes. If you're anyone you know has any questions about this property, maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor.
Look this way for a sec.
Sam, I got a request.
Yeah.
Can you Photoshop in hair? Because I noticed in the video we did the other day, I looked pretty bald.
My bad.
Maybe there's a different angle? Realtors with tubes? I feel like realtors have toupees. Don't edit, or don't put that in.